Starting off from yesterday, we glued our sort of accessory container pipe up there. We've got a little sag in it. I didn't use enough glue and the glue was old. I think we're going to redo it, get another coupling and redo that. Get some new glue and do it correctly. But we're also going to be installing our off-road lights. Probably not the bar up top yet, but we'll be installing these two off-road lights in the grill. So we'd already cut out that rib there, and over here we're going to, I think we'll be able to get the plug wires, the light wires through here and over and have them mounted in the grill. We'll have our relay mounted probably there. If we mount it over here, it's probably going to be in the way getting the battery in and out. We'll connect it to the battery, and then I'll take this water reservoir and the air cleaner off, loosen this fan shroud where I can run the power cable or the switch cable, switch wires over here and then up through the firewall in there. So we'll be getting that done today. I was lucky. What, a rock came through the grill, missed the grill, I guess, or deflected. Almost punctured us right in the middle. Two of those at all that transcooler. So we'll be getting that done, I think, today, finish it up, and go from there. Okay, start with, we redid our accessory container up here on the top. Put a new coupling in it, and it's not sagging now. It's in good shape. So we got that squared away. I'm going to keep that on this side. I'm going to put either my 20 or my 24-foot ladder back on the other side where I can pick up some side work if I need to. And we got the lights installed. Still got to adjust them. They're a little bit out of line, out of kilter. I've got to readjust them and get them just right. This one, it's too far in. I've got to bring it out a little bit. And, make sure we get it turned in to get the right angle. The lining on them. It's a little tight fit, but it turned out that they are going to work. It's just going to have to shoehorn them in there to make them just right. Now, what's something else we've done, instead of the GM 5/16 side post battery thing, which is junk, we got a replacement with an extension. And I'll have to show those better. Let me cut this off and get one of them out. Yeah, why GM, the brilliant engineers at GM did a 5/16 head on that. Yeah, I tell you what, engineers, if they had to work as a mechanic online for 2 years, things would be designed differently, I guarantee you. But this is in there, and so we can take this nut off and add our accessory wires. And that's what we've done over here. We've got them added on the hot and the ground. We're going to have to change those around a little bit right now, but make them look right. But we've gotten all that done. So there's a two-way switch. This one is just the running lights down on the bottom. The other, turn it off. Now this is the off-road lights. It has a side shooters that shoot out on the side. You can tell that it's shooting out on the side. And you can have all three of them on at once. So I think we're going to like those really well, I believe. And once we get these things adjusted, we'll get it in the actual dark and see what the difference is, see how they do in the dark. But we're also, I think, tomorrow going to take the ladder racks off, get some Rust-Oleum. I'm not going to work on those ladder racks too much, but spray them with Rust-Oleum, and then get some more of the Olympic white Chevrolet paint, and then paint the ladder racks and paint our accessory tube, where everything will be fresh. New stuff for our next road adventure. You know, like I said, I'm going to have to take the air cleaner and the water reservoir off and run the power line or the switch line. I may have to splice the switch line to get enough wire to get into that firewall and on the inside. I'm not sure. We'll just have to see how it goes. But we're going to run it across here and then turn, and I want to keep it out of the way, and then run it onto to the inside. And then also with our light bar up top, we're going to have to figure out how we want to wire it. And I may put those other 4 off-road lights, maybe 2 up on there turning out, and maybe 2 on the back turning out. But we'll figure all that out as we go and get this stuff done.